Learn English. Hello, everyone. Here are the 2 words for today. Bob is a... Correct. He likes to fight and argue. Number 2, will you come in or go? Correct. You got it. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. I am not a troublemaker. I am not a troublemaker. Troublemaker. A troublemaker is a person that starts fights and arguments. I am not a troublemaker. Now change it to yesterday. I was not a troublemaker yesterday. Now change it to tomorrow in the future. I will not be a troublemaker tomorrow. Now let's make a flashcard and remember it forever. Please make a flashcard like this. Write troublemaker on the top, 1 word. Down here, PEO, 1. This means people, level 1. And over here the number, 71 out of 78. And put your language on the other side. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Bull, may, cur, troublemaker. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. We go out every day. We go out every day. Out. We go out every day. This means you go outside. We go out every day. Now change it to yesterday. We went out yesterday. Now change it to tomorrow in the future. We will go out tomorrow. Now let's make a flashcard. Please make a card like this. Write out up here in the top left corner. Down here, GW1, this means grammar, word, level 1. Over here, the number 86 out of 135. And put your language on the other side. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The red part sounds like ow plus a T. Out. Game over. You did very well today. Bob is a Troublemaker. Yeah, very bad. Number 2, will you come in or? Correct. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words. Number 1, peace. Peace. What's the difference? Very good. Number 2, be. Are. Ordinary. It means normal, average. And number 3 is a pint. This is a size of drinking glass in pubs in Britain. Today is Wednesday, October 1st. Show number 226. This is a complete 2-year course with 1,200 words. It is rotating every 2 years, so you can join anytime. Please write your language on the other side. What language do you speak at home? That's nice. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.